Good morning, everyone. So I'm at school now, and here is the cup I ate my cereal out of in my car because I just got to school and I was like, I don't want to be late. So yeah, I'm not gonna be late. All right, I am out of school. I hung out with my friendly friend, and we ran into my Brosif, and he gave me his spaghetti, some of it. It was delicious. So good. Spaghetti's so good. I'm so appreciative of my Brosif. And yeah. Now I'm gonna go to my car. Olive Garden. And now I'm at work because my coworker hurt her back and she had to go to the doctor, but I'm only gonna be at work until 7 or 7:30 today, so I'm not closing. It's great. Got some good sketch reading done. I'll do some more on Monday.